Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1998 Toyota 4Runner 3.4 liter automatic. The vehicle came in with a no start condition. If you hear this sound while trying to start your engine, that means your starter is going bad and needs to be replaced. So what's happening is your starter Bendix is coming out, but the starter motor is not turning. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 2 different lengths of 3/8 ratchet, 3 different lengths of 3/8 extensions, 14mm flex socket, 12mm flex socket, 12mm straight socket, and some anti-seize. I'm going to be replacing this starter on this vehicle. I'm going to be using this brand called Denso, part number 280-0167. You know, I tried a lot of different brands out there, and this is the best one right here, Denso. Okay, first thing you need to do is disconnect the negative side of the battery terminal. Now we're going to jack up the car, and then we're going to go underneath to replace the starter. I jacked up the vehicle. I'm going to be removing the rear metal shield. There is 4 bolts, one here, one there, one here, and one there. I'm going to be removing it to get more access to the bottom of the starter. Okay, the starter is located on the passenger side of the engine, right here. What I'm going to do is remove this plastic cap. This is your main battery wire with a 12mm socket. Remove that. And this one is your small starter wire. There's a little tab that you got to push, and then you pull it out. We're in the back of the engine now. We're going to be removing these 2 bolts, one here and there's one up there, and that's going to disconnect the starter from the motor. Okay, so we're going to be installing the starter. Okay, we're going to be bolting up the starter to the engine. Okay, so now we're going to be connecting the wires. be installing this plastic cover. So we're gonna try start up the car first before we put that metal shield on. First, we're gonna connect the negative side battery terminal. We're gonna clean it first. Okay, I'm gonna be installing the rear metal shield. So that's how you replace a starter. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.